enraged, very angry. He was enraged at his brother. He was enraged when he lost his toy. Cruel, very unkind. The boss was cruel to his workers. Don't be cruel to your friends. Freezing, very cold. It is freezing outside. He wore a jacket because it's freezing. Chilling, very scary. The horror movie was chilling. The dark forest looked chilling. Sorrowful, very sad. The song was sorrowful. He felt sorrowful after the bad news. Fatigued, very tired. I feel fatigued after work. She slept early because she was fatigued. Hushed, very quiet. We sat in a hushed place. The library was hushed and peaceful. Downy, very soft. The pillow is downy. The blanket is warm and downy. Exquisite, very beautiful. The flowers are exquisite. She wore an exquisite necklace. Excruciating, very painful. He had an excruciating headache. His injury was excruciating. Frail. Very weak. My grandfather is frail. A frail chair can break easily.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!